What? Go help. Take the snow out. Help mommy. Yeah, see, Matthew's doing a good job. Yeah, clean the snow. Put the snow away. Yeah, you're doing a good job. You're a good boy. We gotta clean the snow so the Santa can come over, right? Yeah. Good job. What, baby? Okay.